The Ford F-150 factory is essentially a gigantic vending machine that spits out America's favorite truck every 53 seconds. That's not a typo. 53 seconds. You can practically eat a sandwich and see a brand new F-150 born before you're finished chewing. What's wild is how much choreography goes into it. There's this army of robotic arms that do perfect acrobatic welding. 32,000 welds per truck. That's 300,000 plus welds a year, and probably more robotic grace than most ballerinas muster. You might think most trucks are still hand-built by people with buzz cuts and clipboards. Nope. Humans and robots are besties now. The robots tackle the heavy lift, but real people fine-tune the details. Otherwise, every truck would look like a cartoon drawing. If you ever get to peek inside, it's loud. I mean, bring earplugs or be haunted by clanging loud. The big pain point for workers? Repetitive motion injuries. When you do the same twist or pull 700 times per shift, your elbow remembers. Walking the floor feels like getting dropped in a sci-fi movie. Not one of those grim gray ones. Everything's color-coded, sanitized, and moving in perfect lines. Every piece knows where to be, and if it's out of place, sirens complain. One of the trickiest steps, just getting all those parts delivered in the right order. A modern F-150 has over 1,400 parts bolted, snapped, glued, or wired together. If even one part is late, the whole line can grind to $1 billion halt. Supply chain managers here probably have more stress than NFL quarterbacks. If a $3 bolt doesn't show up, that $70,000 truck doesn't get built. Lesson: never underestimate the humble bolt. Trivial parts can have maximum impact. Final assembly is my favorite. This is when the cab, bed, and frame unite like mechanical Voltron. Everything fits within millimeters, tight enough to survive a Utah desert, loose enough to not shatter your teeth. The engineering margin here is smaller than a credit card. You know the seats in your F-150? Those get vacuumed and sniffed by machines. No joke. They literally have robotic sniffers to catch funky smells. No one wants a new truck that stinks like off-brand plastic or last week's tuna salad. Once built, each vehicle endures a roll test where robots simulate potholes, snow, and highway speeds right on the factory floor. The pain point for drivers has always been mysterious clunks. If a robot hears one, that truck gets yanked fast. And then it all comes down to the final inspection, where humans are still king. There's something about real eyes and hands that can notice a paint drip or a wonky seam a machine just can't catch. 1 in 10 trucks will be reworked. No shame in it. The pro tip: if you tour the factory, look for the Andon cord, the old-school pull cord that stops the line. Employees can halt production if they see something wrong. It's rare, but when it happens, you realize even $1 million robot sometimes needs a human to say, "Nope, that's not right."